Let's install Java 21 on Windows 11. We'll install JDK 21. We would verify it, set the Java home variable, and we would run your first Java program. First, a quick clarification on JDK versus JRE. The JRE only runs Java. The JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, it can compile your code and it can run it. It includes the JRE. So when we say we are installing Java, basically we are installing JDK. From your browser, search, download Oracle Java. Open the Oracle Java download page. Open this link from Oracle website. Scroll down. Here we can see different Java versions are available like JDK 26, 25, 21. I'm clicking on JDK 21. If I scroll down, here we have the distribution for Linux, macOS and Windows. I'm clicking on Windows. Here for Windows also different versions are available. I'm going to use the MSI installer. So clicking on this link, download started. Download is completed. I'm going to the downloads directory. Double click on this. Now we can see the installation wizard. Click on next. It is providing the default installation path. Now I'm going to change this. I'm going to keep this inside a separate directory. I generally follow that practice, but you can proceed with the default installation path as well. So here I have already created a separate directory, which is C colon all underscore software. So I'm going to change the path, just customize it. Now it will use this particular folder inside all underscore softwares. Clicking on OK, next. This will take a while. Once it is complete, I'll resume the recording. Now it is displaying the message that JDK is successfully installed. Clicking on close, going inside this particular directory, that is Java. This is our installation folder. Copying this path, Ctrl C. I'm opening a command prompt. Type java-version. It is showing Java 21. Same way, check Java C-version. Both should be showing version 21. If Java commands work, but Java C does not, if it says it is not recognized, then we have runtime only. Ideally, both should work. Now we need to set this Java underscore home variable. For that, I'm going to my JDK location, copying the path over here, press the Windows button. Here you can just type edit. So we can see this edit the system environment variables. Clicking on this, click environment variables. Under system variables, click on new, type Java underscore home over here under variable name, paste the path as value. Click OK. Select this path variable, click on edit, edit text, click OK. Go to the beginning. Here you can see by default this path is added. I'm going to remove this. Type percentage Java underscore home, percentage again, then slash bin, then semicolon. Make sure you add the semicolon at the end. Click on OK. OK again. Close this. Now I'm going to open another CMD. Run this command. Echo percentage Java underscore home percentage. Now it shows our Java home variables value. So the value is set properly. Same way we are checking the path now. We can see at the beginning this JDK directory along with the bin directory is properly added. Now we would run our first Java program just to test whether things are working properly or not. So I'm going to my C directory. Here I'm going to create a sample file. Hello.java. Click yes. Open this with Notepad++ or Notepad. Pasting sample code just with simple print statement. Java 21 is running. Opening a command prompt. Maximizing this. Just copying this location. Now compile with javac. Hello.java. Run with Java Hello. You'll see this Java 21 is running. So your first Java program on JDK 21. So that's it. You have installed Java 21 on Windows 11, verified both Java and Javac, set the Java home variable, and you have run your first Java program. If this has helped, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And now that you have got Java 21 running, I have a full-fledged course on Java 21 features deep dive. It contains multiple topics like virtual threads, pattern matching, structured concurrency, and many more, with hands-on Spring Boot demos as well. Apart from that, in case you are interested, you can explore my other courses as well. All the lists and the links are provided in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.